This video will teach you the absolute basics of Raphael 4040 and Raphael Studio, including the terms used to identify Raphael's hardware components and Raphael Studio's programming components, homing, connecting, keyboard shortcuts, and the settings panel buttons. Any diagram shown in this video is also linked in the description for easy reference. This diagram shows the terms used to identify Raphael's hardware components. Starting on the top left is the motion PCB. The USB-B connector is plugged into the motion PCB. The other end of the USB is connected to the laptop, which is not included. The waste jar is placed in the waste jar holder during the cleaning cycle. The supply tanks go here. The light red arrows identify the X, Y, and Z axes. Raphael has two pumps located under the hood. The left is the solvent pump, the right is the conformal pump. The joystick is located to the right of the adjustable fixture. The Enable button must be pressed to use the joystick. The joystick itself can be pushed to select points after moving it to adjust the X and Y position of the brush. The Z height buttons move the brush up and down. The mixer tube mixes the solvent in conformal. It is equipped with a lower fitting, which is where the brush attaches. This diagram shows the terms used to identify Raphael's programming components. Points are initially placed on the board in blue. They change color depending on their Z height. The starting point is marked with a green circle. The ending point is marked with a red circle. The light blue lines in between are called moves. All of the moves together are called a path. The yellow square identifies the location of Raphael's brush. All points and moves are positioned relative to the upper left-hand corner of the board. The circle to the left of help shows the status of Raphael's connection. Green indicates that Raphael is connected and ready to go. Yellow indicates that the USB is connected but the robot is not on. Gray indicates no connection, and red indicates that the robot connected is not recognized as an Invention House robot. To connect, click Connect. To home Raphael's brush, click Utilities and select Home, or you can use Ctrl-H. Clicking Help will provide a useful list of keyboard shortcuts. Click Escape to clear menus or cancel changes. Enter implements changes. N will add a new move to the end of the path. B will add a move to the beginning of the path. L and A will change the move to a line or an arc. Ctrl S will save, Ctrl H will home, Ctrl Z will undo, and Ctrl Y will redo. Shift plus up or down will adjust the Z position by 0.2 millimeters. You can also adjust the Z position by scrolling with your mouse. Step mode is used when developing the path. In the step mode, the coordinates are issued to the motion PCB one move at a time. In the non-step mode, all the moves are issued for the entire path. Home after complete automatically sends the brush to the home position after the program has been completed. Dry run is also used when developing the path. Enable this button to run the path without any coding. This button will allow you to keep the flow multiplier set to the preferred amount, but run the board at a rate of 0 flow. The lights button will toggle the black lights located on the brush fixture on and off.